Want to win at binary trading? Does the thought of making quick, substantial profits entice you? Well, you're not alone. But remember, as with anything in life, winning at binary trading requires a well-thought-out strategy, patience, and a solid understanding of the financial markets. Today, we're going to break down the process of winning at binary trading into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First off, what is binary trading? Think of it as a financial product where you predict the outcome from two possible results. If your prediction is correct, you receive the agreed-upon payout. If not, you lose your initial stake. Simple as that. Now, how do you win at binary trading? Step 1. Understand the market. Knowledge is power, and in binary trading, understanding the market trends is half the battle won. Keep a close eye on global news, economic indicators, and market fluctuations. Step 2. Choose the right broker. Not all binary options brokers are created equal. Some are more reliable, some offer better payouts. Do your research, read reviews, and make an informed decision. Step 3. Practice makes perfect. Many brokers offer demo accounts where you can practice your trading skills without risking real money. Use them to your advantage. Step 4. Manage your risks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. A good rule of thumb is to never stake more than 5% of your total trading capital on a single trade. Step 5. Stick to your strategy. Once you've developed a trading strategy that works for you, stick to it. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Now, let's summarize the key points we've covered today. Winning at binary trading is not just about making random predictions. It requires understanding the market, choosing a reliable broker, practicing your skills, managing your risks, and sticking to your strategy. Remember, binary trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate financial instrument that requires skill, patience, and strategy. So, do your homework, stay disciplined, and the chances are you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful binary trader. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Start small, learn as you go, and who knows, you could be the next big name in the world of binary trading. Good luck.